Don't vote for Andrew, you know. You see what Andrew do? I'm telling you something. What them do, we don't know under cashless business here down in Jamaica. Them know say Jamaican people work off of street money. The stallman no pay taxes. The man will sell back juice. The people them we have them look shopping I get to and them place there. Them no pay tax. Sometimes your family give you money if you start a little shop. How that I go now? Huh? Remember, you know, then can limit how much money you can spend, you know. You think you can tell the man can come, oh, may I beg you 10 grand? You can't give a little poor you 10 grand. Because it have come out of your account and them are going to tax it. Them are going to tax you, we are giving the 10 grand and tax him, we are get the 10 grand. Huh? When Andrew done with no nasty blood clot. When Andrew done with you know, you see the man a push gay agenda pound, no? Same time the man a push virtual prison pound, no? Sorry for me to tell you, no? Blood clot. Oh, Foota chat too much. Foota you too enough. I chew your PNP. This, that. Yeah, man. Who say me chat too much now? Who say me chat too much now? Me telling you say the man a go legalize body business before him come out. Me tell you, know. Me tell you, no. Me did want you know. Look how long me tell you, no. Why you never listen to me? You run go make man put on clocks and trick on them bumbuckle. Yo, Jamaican people just turn be an idiot, you know. See, man, I say up you, you know, the teacher, them have to accept if a little boy identify as a girl, them have to call him a girl. Else a problem. The man take money away from Canada and sell everybody bottom. Whoa. Me want you know. Me tell you no. Some little pussy who are loving at me there, me chat too much and some man claim say them a die-hearted labor right because I see her going because I do us. Who do us I'm a general, me can't do without say labor right. And labor right send do us a prison. That's why I know say on a wicked no blood clot. Cause labor right for send Dodos a prison and still a sell labor right. You don't rate Dodos. So labor government make live up off a runway. You don't rate no live up. A wicked pussy world. Anybody where you see a sell labor right from down at Tivoli Garden, no rate Dodos and no rate live up none of them and them. You know a pussy. That I'm telling you. Born a die-hearted labor right. You can see the same party prison Dodos. And come run we live up. And still a born a labor right. That means you never love no live up and you never love no Dodos. Oh, I'm too no. I idiot. Some you know say on a bait. So man about them a bad man and them loyal to Dodos. Now liar. No party couldn't send my dad to prison and me still a vote for them. Must be crazy. Furthermore, would have put gunshot in anybody who vote for them. Must be mad. And live up there and the man them run will live up too. Remember, them pressure live up till live up have to live up. Must be mad. If me have my done and PNP mash up my done and mash up my community, you think me I get up about me a PNP? I'm mad. Me switch same time. If only did really love Dodos, only would have switched from labor right long time. Only not love no Dodos. Only not love no live up. Only not liar. Only wicked. Oh no wicked to Dodos. Oh no wicked to Dodos. They only hear song in a dance and a bus blank. But oh, my general does pussy. What? No, none of us. Or if you rate the man and still a support who mash up the man. Or you if you say you rate the dust and still a vote for and a support who mash up the man. Only no love none of us, only afraid of us. Only afraid to live up. Remember, fear is different from love. That me I tell you now. Labor right can't trick me. Bumbuckler, oh, me can get from one of them jet ski there right now. I wish part the jet ski place there. Bumbuckler. You know, me need, yo. Me need to go for one of them jet ski there, you know. But don't go on green one over here, so I don't want to ride not green jet ski. Andrew Holness a deal with Jamaica way. Everything the man a put in place have to suffer the poor man. Why you want have a cashless system? People do not even understand. Zine? Do not even understand what cashless mean? You don't know what them are gonna do to it if we accept the cashless something here? Boy, imagine you can't spend $1 without the government know about it. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. So what happened to the youth them where hustle? What happened to the youth them when they're on a 9 to 5? What happened to the youth them where the street them survive after? I tell them now, say you have to go be slave in a youth. Cause you have to go do a job where sure record. Dog, you know how much youth at Jamaica have a bank book? Much less now. Why? No, it come like when you nah realize where Andrew the tune, you know. When you nah, my youth, you notice that everything where America push, it Andrew push for you know. When you realize, as a leader, what Andrew Holness ever do, we endorse what the Jamaican people want. No, but Miss Chin, watch this. If them can thief, alright, Andrew and we go to cashless system where you're at the mercy of the bank. Look how the bank, the Usain Bolt, and all now Bolt can't get back his money. All now. So imagine what them are going to do. We. If both are ambassador for the country and the bank cannot secure both money, then our little chump change them are going to secure. You can just go to the bank and you say you have no money and then you have no cash. You have no money if you fall back on it. But glad. I just want to understand that. I just want to understand that. What the money I do to Jamaica, you know, bro. That I want to understand and know, you know. Right. Gio, you know, in nothing with bank, but now Andrew make you know, say you're affy. Going on something with the bank. Oh. If you don't know what good for you know. Wanna start the protest them now, you know? Start the riot them now, you know? Oh. Because they can't sit down there and think I play a bumbuckler thing I go on, you know. Bro, if you don't rebel against them something in a dog, a problem in my lad. Rascal. Right now, them a pass a law, you know. Say if you spend more than $1,000 in a cash, you know, a jail you go, you know. Meaning if somebody come do a work at your yard, you know, and you pay them $1,000 US in a cash, a jail you go, you know. At that, them a try impose America, you know. And you know, as them impose that, Andrew follow fast right after that. So all of them hustler there and all of them man they will make street money, you know. I cripple them out, cripple you know. And now poor people are going to really suffer, you know. You can't stay there. You can't stay there. When you talk about power cut, one to them little youth with the computer learn to rob your money. The bank now got to take blame for it. Then if everything digital and you not have no money in your hand, somebody can empty your bank account within minutes, within seconds. Within seconds. And all them are going to do, I tell you if you go to court like how Usain Bolt go to court, what you going to do? When the whole of your money missing out of this digital thing here. And you not have money, no cash. Cash not good, cash can't spend. Blood clot. I think you don't understand how I go on in that. I think you don't understand how I go on in. I think look where secure people them rob up. If we are dealing with cash and the bank them I get robbed left, right and center. Imagine if no cash not there. Imagine if a digital alone. When a man move the whole of your money go put in my account, where you go do? Huh? What are you going to do? Listen to me. We need to force for Andrew resignation now. Not wait for election, Virgin. Not for election. If you don't, you don't understand about the law. If we allow Andrew to make the law pass, them now go revoke the law them. The law them are going to stay there. You have to stop it before the law passes, you know, bro. Rascal, you can't stay there. When you stay there, you laugh for pea soup and I drink beer rum and I smoke beer weed and I got a party and a junk and a tumble down. And now I realize it's a virtual prison. The man them a bill for put people in. Imagine you can't look for your baby mother or your family see and give them 20 or 30 grand without the bank know about that. Every transaction you do, them are going to tax it, you know. Them will collect the money are going to get taxed and you will send the money and get taxed, you know. I know we have to have proof of every single dollar where it come from. Who come like you don't know? Why? Why? You know much man I got have them things and government I got take it away? Because them can't prove where it come from. When them look back in a banking record, them say we never see when they transfer this money or when they put this money or when they do what. Huh? Listen to me, people. You see this cashless thing here is a virtual prison. It's a prison without handcuff by your hand. It's a prison without you locking in a cell. But you're not going to be able to use your money as a free person. Slave you be. Slave. Slave you be. As a drunk come there up a place named Fort Walton. Look. See my big nice pool. And look. See the ocean there. So my pool there next door to the ocean. You can't talk to me. I think tough. Yeah, that's how they think tough. Tough. Ice and chaser. I think tough. Tough. Yeah. Mr. Jamaica just sit down and make Andrew them do what them feel like. No protest nah go on. The opposition party nah talk. Nothing. Andrew just take the people them for one big piece of idiot. Yeah, boy, I don't know how to become a Jamaica be. The man legalized batty business up a you know. And from them start a you, it go right in a high school. And then it go right in a basic school. It go right at basic school. It go right at... Yo, I love how all of that say me an idiot, you know. Me love how they always I say me chat too much and all these things. Zine? Florida governor say no to digital currency too. And Texas. That's why I love Florida, I love Texas. I'm gonna look at immigration thing, Florida, I beat the people them with. But dog, Andrew the worst man. Everything with Babylon a push on the people them Andrew run with. Why go and Gandhi me Allah? Why Andrew have to follow everything with the demon them a say? Oh, the Santos there in America. And can say him and a cashless thing for Florida. Cash is king. That the man said. Texas governor said cash is king. So why the fuck Andrew feel like him fear push cashless for the people them dog? I don't even know dog, yeah. And if them rent a jet ski, yo, I just feel rich in the idea, yo. Think me I make big pussy and just stress me out. I'm Andrew, me hate you right now. I'm not business about nothing. You could have hate me a little more. I don't like you, Andrew. What you do to my people, them? You legalize homosexuality in the country. Papi, you rent the jet ski? You rent the jet ski?
No.
Huh? Huh?
No, we don't rent the jet ski. Sorry.
Alright. Yeah, me just feel rich like me just want to spend some money and yeah. Gandhi right now, nah lie brother. You love Jamaica Labour Party, but me I tell you rude boy. And the wickedest thing ever happened to the people them, especially that one them. The man are worse than Siago, him worse than Bruce, him worse than everybody. The man, yeah, cha-cha. We are going cashless for Jamaica people. Remember say, one of the biggest things for people could have come at Jamaica, Zine, and spend their money. Use cash by house, use cash by car, use cash by, you understand? That's one of the perks where people love Jamaica for. Because you can come spend your money. Oh, Andrew gonna mash up that. Jamaican people are gonna suffer. Because when someone have some money, I want to come offshore, come spend it. Them can't spend it. You know, see a mashy man and mash up Jamaica. Yeah, chew up Mr. Blood Clot. Gandhi, you see the pole? Mad. I wish idiot that talk about buy a jet ski. When I buy a jet ski, if I have a place to park it and maintain it. You're rich and you buy things, man, you rent. Use it and pay and cut. I want to pay. You understand? Now on a jet ski if you buy. Rent to and rent and ride around the ocean and then park that blood clot. Someone love talk about buy. I want to pay. Buy, you have to keep and care and take care of that. Maintain that, we not depend that. Rent and move. Nice little settings, you know. So we live people, we live good, you know. We live nice. Big up God. And big up music. So if I never music, boy, them would have clue clocks me already. Government would have kill me. Would have enjoy a nice life. You see me, music make we untouchable. Music make we live the good life. Music make we go places they have never gone before. If I hear Star Trek, and Star Trek say we go places they have never gone before. You hear that? Brother, even if you buy a jet ski, you still have it and carry it, got base every day and not a time for that. Different kind of residual income we have. We don't want that we have to take care of that and house it and that have the people that when I fly the world. Me a man with my trade, me can move anytime. You see me? People me I tell them I love music and me give God thanks to music. Music take me out of the slums of Cassava Peace. Music make me escape being a criminal. Music make me escape hard life and music make nobody can't take this advantage of me because music make me proud of myself. Me hype. Me independent. You understand? Me love music. God give me music and I love it. You see me? I'm a talent where God give me, me can talk to Andrew them way, yeah. And me can defend the people them. Cause I not have to go and beg no poor relief money. I not have to beg no crash program work. I not have to go run behind a politician for them give me a little check. So me can be my true self. Me can say what me feel. You see me? Me can talk my mind. You see me? Me not have to say what people want me to say. You see me? Me can say what me need to say and what needed to be said. So music are the thing. You see me? So me I tell you, me love music. Music save me. And me I use music now and save the world. Me no business who some of them love call me but Foota a lot of people them. Let them do them little batty thing and them something cause you can't save everybody. Well me I try to save even one soul at a time. You can't trick me. I try to trick me to be quiet, but you can't save everybody. Me not try to save everybody, me I try to save every soul. If I have one at a time, can't trick me. Can't trick me. See me I walk around the pool much time. Remember if I never music, I could fly first class and private jet and them things. The music do that. Right now if I never music, me not there I say now nice pool area with the ocean right there so. Nice. You see me? Music do it for me. And me I do it for people them. You see me? Yeah. What them say as a junker? What them say? What them I say? Richly, what them I say? Oh, Janelle Money is a piece of shit. I want to know if you realize, say, I reggae them offer. Oh, ironic. See him? Shensi a video drop in the same time when Coffee Sam Smith video drop and then Fear video drop. The whole of them I sell reggae culture, dancehall culture, but the theme of the song them and the video them are lesbian business. Eh? Tell the truth now. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Oh. How that work? Just look on it, you know. Sam Smith and Coffee. Shensia. And now Janelle Money. Right across the board. Only say a target them a target reggae. Only realize that. So why she couldn't do a rock and roll song with the lesbian thing going on in it? Because then a rock and roll them a try conquer. A reggae them want nasty. You understand what I'm saying? A reggae them take for pussy. Because we have the God music. And we have the God music. Why at the same time T.O.K. say them take off them song? See? Shana would ever want to talk about that the idiot girl. Because she not counting her music. She can stay over one side and make Satan fuck her till she dead. Them the shit house there. Now get a chance in her music. And me can tell you this. None of them now feel like me. None of them where I work for Satan now feel like me. Me work for God. Me work for the universe. The laws of the universe. Me a general in a army. Never fear, never scared. You hear that? Never tired, never weary. I'm still powerful than them. Come here tell nice. Or them be stop me. Or them say righteousness and give you glory. Or them are going like a dirty life alone, make you live nice life. I want to me I live good. Jump and plane every minute. Them no more than me. God a give me reward them. Me live good, me live nice. Me pay them school fee pay. Me pay them alright. You understand what I say? My family good. You see me? Me proud. Me see my little sister build up a wall without me. Me tell her build a wall. I spend her money and build a wall. Me nearly cry. Because me I say, Jano, my little sister make me proud. Because some family them would beg you for everything. My little sister don't even tell me say she a build a wall. Me just get a video with the wall build up. I want to hear. Them can't trick me. Righteousness still a win. And can't stop win. Cannot stop. I choose someone who read I wanna feel like them have success. Have success them pussy wall. Watch it. Outside me there. Outside me there. Pussy clock. What them know about this? See them a nice bed. Kashona. A nice hotel room. Yeah. I go like a blood clot. Batman and demon alone. Get fit tour and have nice place. May a God pick me. May a righteous warrior see. Look at me chandelier them. Bumbo clot. Look at me living room. Look at me living room. Look at me wall out paint nice. My view outside. Bedside lamp. Me look at office. Nice flat screen. Them no more than me. Go suck on the mama and Satan. Look at my rascal bathroom. Eh? Look at my bathroom. Eh? Somehow the devil look good like my toilet. Suck on the mother. I gotta win. Gotta win. Go on like a blood clot, dirty life alone can make uno enjoy life. Gotta win. Suck on the mother. Gotta win. Come to bed big and nice. I want to know. I want to know. Classy Sue, big up yourself. I notice someone are going like a hunger, the people them. We are work for Satan and live nice life. Actually, we not show off. We live good. And we not lick no crutches and we not joke no batty. Our righteousness we are deal with. And we burn out nastiness. And we still there. I want to know pussy wall. Remember, we have Fort Walton Beach now. Tomorrow the big dance. You hear that popping buckles. And then Sunday, you know, say, I love boat. Mother's Day edition. The amount of things we have to give it. Big up, grab a mic. Zine, you don't know, grab a mic. Fully endorse. Fully endorse. Love boat. We are live good. Remember June 3rd. Me there in New York. Sexyless birthday party in a New York City. Remember the 20th of that month here, before we reach June 3rd. Finish off that month here. The 20th of that month here. We there at Tampa. At party that. You hear that? Trouble. Grab a mic. Grab a leaf. Grab a gang. Them endorse love boat. You hear that? So I don't want people. I don't want to feel less than yourself. When you see dirty, demonic pussy wall and advertise them look of perks and them look of car and them look of watch and them look of dirty lifestyle. Them now live better than no straight man or straight woman. I want to our thing them are gonna last longer. Gotta go make we have it longer than them. You hear that? For them thing temporary. Them soon fade out. How the blood clot do now? I want to hear, man. You think say God can't feel? God can't feel. The universe never feel. Remember 27th of May, Super Twitch Party 2. Remember me have also the 29th of May, me there at Texas, Houston, Texas, the Igloo Party. Also remember the 25th. At the 25th of May, me there at Dallas, Texas. Them cannot stop the thing. Them cannot stop the thing. Righteousness alone shall live. No shaky boy or shaky girl now live better than me. Them career not better than mine. Me just not brag and talk about certain things. I want to hear. The way of the Almighty is the only way. So I don't know where them a bumbuckler going like say, if you're a girl and you're not a damn girl, you can't get blessed. And if you're not do Batman business or money, you can't get blessed. a straight way we are doing. And we are win in a every way straight. I want to. You no cannot trick me. Not with them have me no red eye for. Me no red eye for not with batty boy and lesbian have no time. Me no want that. Cause Jah gonna make me get better than that on the straight road. I want to know crazy. When you think when you come Shana Classic. We are forward at Dallas, I think the 25th. I think at the 25th of May. And then we are do Houston the 29th. Or the 28th we are got Dallas. Me don't remember yeah man. Let me look. Wait, I gotta look and tell you. Hold on. Alright. Shana Classic. At the 28th. We are there at Dallas. The 28th. The 28th. Me hear some man say, me and them now buck up in an airport when them a fly. How me if you buck up in an airport when me now fly international? And only in America me a fly and me a fly so hard. Then imagine when God put on the wing them on my shoulder. Bumbo clot. Trouble. Yo. So the 28th, me there at Dallas, Texas. The 29th, me there at Houston, Texas. The 27th, a Super Twitch